Okay, at first, what I want you to know is the open string there, the key there. Okay, like the first string, the open first string is E, and the second string there is key of B, and the third string there is key of G. Okay, so the fourth string there is the key of D, and the fifth string is the key of A. While the sixth string, the deep string is key of E again. So the fourth string and the sixth string is the same thing. So you have to know this very open chord or open note keys first before you'll be able to play open chords. Okay, but for now, let me just show you these three chords. I want to show you in the key of C. This is the key of C. That is the root C. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. This is another root here. Understand? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So before you're able to play your open chord, okay, you need to know your keys in these very positions. Like this is the C. Understand? From your do, mi, open notes. Then you take this your first finger to the second string there, which is the do. Open note, then you play do. Then you play your vowel, okay, which is like this. From your fifth string or from your sixth string, you bar from your sixth string from here. From the sixth here, you bar all the fret here. Then you take your second finger, this finger, you put it on the third string there. Then take your fourth finger, your ring finger, this other one, you take it to the fifth on that F there. Understand? Then you take your pinky finger, okay, your pinky finger to the fourth string there. Just put it under the fourth string. Okay, just put it under. Then strum it off from the six strings. Okay, just strum it off. Try and make sure the note is. Try and make sure you make sure the note is out. Like you try to play out the note very well. Okay. So the third chord there is your saw chord, which is the G major. Okay, which is the G major chord. Your ring finger, this finger, you put it on the sixth fret, on the third fret here, on the third fret. Then you take this other one, your middle finger, to the fifth string here, the second fret. Then you take this your pinky to the first string there. So this one and this one, the sixth string here and the first string is just like the same. It's the same note. So you play like this. You strum all the strings. You can also play like this. The second string, play the second string and the first again. You strum all the chords. So that is the three basic chords I'm showing you for now. When you don't understand, just let me know. So this is the first chord, which is the C. Open note. Then you play your second string. This is the second note, or the second chord. Then you play your saw, which is the G major. Okay, you can also play like this. You can also play like this too. The same fret. Okay, All right, just keep practicing.